Bonjour, j'espère que vous allez très bien parce qu'aujourd'hui, nous allons parler du vocabulaire de quarantine in French. The quarantine. The vocabulary. So, let's start. First, of course, the word quarantine comes from the French quarantaine, and quarantaine comes from 40. The meaning is 40 days. Une quarantaine, the word is feminine in French. And we said that we are en quarantaine. So you can use the verb mettre to put someone en quarantaine, mettre en quarantaine, but also être en quarantaine, je suis en quarantaine, tu es en quarantaine. So that's the word to translate quarantine. We've got other words like synonymous, for example, le confinement. Le confinement, so it's to be at home and not to go out. Le confinement. And the verb is confiner. Je suis confiné. Je suis confiné. You could also say, and it's easier of course, je reste chez moi. I stay home. Je reste chez moi. Je ne sors pas. I don't go out. Pourquoi? Why? Parce que je suis en quarantaine. Je me confine. Je suis en confinement. Je reste chez moi. Je ne sors pas. Let's see more expressions related to quarantine. Of course, the first word you think about is le masque. This word is masculine in French, le masque. And the verb you can use with this word is je mets un masque. I put a mask, but you could also say je porte un masque. I'm wearing un masque. And also, j'utilise, I use un masque. Je mets un masque, je porte un masque, j'utilise un masque. Pourquoi? Parce que je suis en quarantaine. Après le masque, les gants. Gants is masculine too. Des gants en latex. And we use the same verbs, of course. Je mets des gants. I put gloves. Je mets des gants. Je porte des gants. And j'utilise des gants. Well, from time to time, you need to wash your hands. And here, what are we going to use? Je me lave les mains avec du gel. Je me lave les mains avec du gel. We also say du gel hydroalcoolique. To be more specific, le gel hydroalcoolique. Je me lave les mains avec du gel hydroalcoolique. Well, garder 1 mètre de distance, social distance, garder, to keep, 1 mètre de distance. Instead of garder, you can also use the verb respecter. Respecter 1 mètre de distance. When you meet someone, what do? Well, je salue sans serrer les mains. So I greet without shaking hands. Je salue sans serrer les mains. It's not possible. Éviter les embrassades. Embrassade is hugs. Éviter, avoid. Éviter les embrassades. J'évite les embrassades, c'est pourquoi je salue sans serrer les mains, avec 1 mètre de distance. Tousser dans son coude. Coude is elbow. In tousser, the verb is to cough. So, it's what we need to do now. On ne tousse pas dans ses mains, on tousse dans son coude. What are the symptoms we've got about this disease? Well, the most common is la toux, cough, feminine la toux, and the verb, we have just seen it, is tousser. This verb is regular, first group. Je tousse, tu tousses, il tousse, nous toussons, vous toussez, il tousse. Fever is fièvre, and this one is also feminine. La fièvre, j'ai de la fièvre. And mal à la tête, headache, j'ai mal à la tête. You could also say j'ai un mal de tête, or j'ai mal à la tête. And difficulté respiratoire, or breathing difficulties, j'ai des difficultés respiratoires. Okay? But finally, I hope you are well, very well, and you take care of yourself during these times. Allez, c'est fini. Alors je vous dis au revoir, à bientôt et bon français. Hey, you know that you can help me to get more quality lessons in French like this one. Please, it won't take long. Just click on subscribe on each video of my YouTube channel and share them. If you click on share, you will find a Facebook icon, a Twitter icon, etc., etc. You will help me a lot. Thank you.